How to clear history on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to clear history on Samsung Internet Browser. First, then open the browser, and here you will find these three lines here in the bottom corner, and after you click on it, click history, and here you will find this three points here. Click on it and then click this one, clear history, and that's it. History have been cleared, and now just go back. It will be saved, and that's how to clear it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.